Well, I followed you on social media for a long time.
Okay.
And when my doctor said that I should find a plastic surgeon, I knew that you would be the one that I would contact.
Oh, that's fine. That's really nice, very kind. What was it about it that made you think that way?
I read a lot of your testimonials, watched a lot of the videos that you had of the patients, and I realized that I felt like you would mesh well with me. I was very self-conscious when we first met. And I felt like, really hard. And I felt like you were somebody that I would be able to talk to and feel comfortable with.
And do you mind talking a little bit about, your journey?
It's been a long one. 11 weeks yesterday. So I am a 37-year-old mom of two. Between two pregnancies, gained and lost over 120 pounds. So I had, a lot of excess skin, a lot of overhang in the abdomen. That felt very uncomfortable in my body, and it took a long time for me to even consider plastic surgery because I didn't think that it should be a priority.
Okay. Yeah. And you're not alone. I'd say a lot of people feel almost guilty for thinking that that's something that they should do or put themselves at risk for, out there with their kids and stuff. So
Right.
You're not alone. I hear that all the time.
So I decided to make my consultation, and right away I knew that this was a good fit. I felt comfortable with what you suggested. And then 2 months later, we did the circumferential body lift, abdominoplasty, and a little bit of liposuction.
And how? I know it sounds like a lot when you say it, but and it was all as an outpatient.
Yeah,
so
all as outpatient.
you were able to go home. But how'd you do afterwards?
I did okay. Day 3 through 5 was a little rough. And I know you got a lot of messages from me saying, I don't think this is normal. But
okay.
You were really quick to get back to me and tell me I'm okay. But it's been great. Every day I feel better. I can wear clothes that I never thought I'd be able to wear again. Went on vacation and wore a 2-piece bathing suit, which I never ever thought I would do again. Scarring is like so barely there. Don't see it in any of my bathing suits or clothes, so I'm so happy.
How was it the first time you went bathing suit shopping?
Weird, really weird, because I went from a size 16 to a 10-12, so I didn't even know where to begin. And I was like, I can't even go to the store, so I just ordered a bunch of different stuff online. And I was like, I don't even think any of these are gonna fit, and some were actually too big, and it's been crazy.
Would you do it again if you had it to do all over?
Absolutely, 100%. I would go through the recovery, everything, all over. And people asked me that too when I was like in my worst state the first couple days. Do you regret it? Absolutely not. Nope. Because I would just go to the mirror, even looking the way that I did, 2 to 3 days after,
Sure.
and I still was like in tears, couldn't believe it.
If you could recommend the procedure at that point, because it does hurt, you'd recommend it anytime.
Yeah, absolutely.
Those first couple of days aren't much fun, but do you feel more like you?
Yeah, absolutely. A better version of what I was. Better mom. I'm more active with my kids. I don't find myself hiding in the house as much. I want to be out. Definitely better. Everybody just felt so confident and so comfortable. And so, what is the word I'm trying to say?
I think a lot of people feel judged when they come to see.
That's it. Nobody felt judged. Everybody felt confident. Getting up in front of a stranger, in front of your husband that doesn't ever look at you because you won't let him, and standing there almost completely naked when you're feeling the way that you feel, and having Dr. Rockmore make me feel like it's okay, we're gonna fix this. I felt very comfortable. I said to myself, I'm like, you're not gonna cry. Slather on the oils, don't cry. Because I do, I tell everybody, and I'm like, it changed my life.